Hi, welcome to KanexPro. I'm Manny, I'm the Senior Product Manager, and I'm here to introduce our brand new line of HDMI connectivity solutions. What we have is a line of premium high-speed certified HDMI cables, which are capable of all HDMI 2.0 and 2.1 capabilities. These cables allow you to be able to do 4K 60 Hertz. They let you do all of the top features that you would find in HDMI. Our cables feature a limited lifetime warranty, and they are guaranteed to work. They're very affordable and a very good line of reliable HDMI cables for any installation. You can find more information on these HDMI cables as well as their specs on KanexPro.com.